Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to build your very own Steal the Brainrot map in Fortnite for completely free as a beginner. Because if you're looking at my screen, this map right here called Steal the Brainrot has over 83,000 players right now and has a peak of 204,000 players and has made $1 million in the last 30 days. Which is why today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make your very own Steal the Brainrot map in Fortnite for completely free. And you want to know something even better is that this map is completely free for everybody who joins the Discord in the link in the description. I'm not kidding. This map is completely free for everybody who joins the Discord in the link in the description. All you have to do is join my Discord, ping me and send me a message, say, hey Davey, I want the map, and I will send you the map for completely free. All you have to do, join the Discord, click this link right here, and literally just press download. And as you guys can see, the Steal the Brainrot map is successfully downloading completely free for everyone who joins my Discord. But without further ado, let me show you guys exactly how to build your very own Steal the Brainrot map in Fortnite for completely free. Alrighty, so let's get started, shall we? Okay, so here we have the map, and as you can see, we have normal, gold, and shiny cosmetics and brainrots that we can buy. I'm going to give you guys a little rundown of how this map actually works. And of course, guys, this video will be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. But anyways, here we have it here. So buy your first character, okay? So right now we have 50 gold right now, and essentially we can't really buy anything, but we can buy this right here. And as you guys can see, there's a little munchkin. He kind of looks like a Pokemon ball. He's going into our base here, and this is where we can actually multiply our wealth and make more money online inside of this map here. So as you can see, we now have the brainrot inside of our map, and we can actually sell it for more money, you know, because this is essentially how you guys want to be making your map. So we have a nice little chainsaw man here, right, which costs $30,000, which is kind of insane because you wouldn't be realizing that how much this really costs, you know. But essentially the premise of this actual map, right, is to steal other people's brainrots and make a whole bunch of money. And here we have a little spinning wheel here that we can actually spin, and here we have our weapon. We can actually smack people when they are inside of your world. So obviously when you guys get this map by joining the Discord, you're gonna have all of this for completely free. But here, this is our sword where we can just smack people to death and get them out of our actual bases. And right here, this is a remote where we can actually use to actually buy our own resources and items to get a competitive advantage inside of this game and beat the rest of our opponents. But anyways, here we have it. So power up. Owner can change his outfit. Flying stone. 4 rebirths. Owner can throw stones at the stealer. Invisibility. Owner can now turn invisible. Mammoth freezer. Owner can now freeze opponents, right? Which is pretty insane because if you can just freeze opponents, you can literally just walk into the person's base and steal all their stuff, you know? Like imagine they're walking into your base, right? And you freeze them and then you walk into theirs, right? Because you have to have your base open to steal other people's bases. But there's the rundown. Let me show you guys now exactly how to build this. Okay, so to start off building your very first Steal the Brainrot map, the most important part is this conveyor belt right here, because this is where the brainrots are going to be walking through and going into your own bases here where you can actually buy them. And if you didn't know, the brainrots to actually sell and buy them are literally this button right here, which is kind of insane, right? You wouldn't think that it's literally just a button, but it is. Why this is so important is because if you don't have a coding mechanic to actually buy and sell things, then how is this game going to work? Which is why all of the verse code is inside of my content drawer right here. So if you go through all of the folders and files here, let me show you guys the one that's the most important, which is right here, called the Glass Bridge. And yes, this is kind of a Squid Game themed Brainrot map, but it's exactly identical to the Steal the Brainrot map that you guys see that is so popular, trending everywhere. But this is the verse code, okay? Because it has to be connected to a prop manipulator to actually move the props, which are the brainrots obviously, down the conveyor belt. And then right here we have the mutator zone. This is to mutate the props to actually make them move and also have them spawn as well. So they go through the glass bridge here, which is right here, because this is actually just a material, guys. You see the green here? That's a mutator zone. This is actually nothing. You guys see how it looks like it goes on forever? But you walk through, there's nothing there. It's actually literally just a barrier material. But let's go back into the code, okay? Because this is essentially what you guys need to be focusing on. And this is the correct sound player. Because when you actually get a brainrot, obviously, and you buy it, it's going to say like tung tung sahur, all of the garbage lingo that it says. But you need to have coding for that, because it's going to get misconstrued, because there's only a limitation on how many audio players you can have at once connected to a single verse device. Which is why you have a verse device for each sound inside of your world. But anyways, now we have an editable for the HUD message, which is signaling to the player that they've purchased something, which is super important and super lucrative when you're actually building your maps and islands inside of the brainrot economy. With the conveyor belt out of the way, arguably the most important feature in the marketing aspect of this map is the keypad right here. And obviously, guys, once you guys actually get this map by joining my Discord for completely free, the code is 999 to get special admin perms inside of this actual world. And I'll show you guys exactly now. Right, it's the code. It shows it right here. 999. That is the exact code to get full God mode and God brainrots inside of your map. Okay, but now we have this special gate here where players can actually sell and own other people's brainrots. Because if we go to the coding here and we go into the verse tab, let me show you guys the files, right? Because this is a hands-on tutorial. This is the Brainrot characters verse code. So we have the baby guard, the owlman, the octo baby, the buffler, the manager, the determinator, the octolade, the eagle elite, the superior officer, the octagon, the squid maw, the frontman, the lionaire, the crazy doll, the octo prime, the panther, the octo, the panther force, the berserker, Clash Royale 2 elixir, the umbrella, and the octo doll, and the mega man. So if you look how many lines of verse code this is, guys, look at all of these edibles, look at all of the coding inside of this actual map. Look at all of the lines of code, guys. 390 lines of code just for this specific feature. Well, let's go to the next one. Brainrot component. Look at all of the devices that it's using. Verse code, simulation, temporary diagnostics, UI, named colors. This is exactly what you guys need inside of your Brainrot map. Okay, so with the second to last thing out of the way, this is the final component to the piece of the puzzle and the icing and the cherry on the cake on top. It is the visual components and elements. If you guys are looking at this rainbow here, obviously this could be a little better, but you need to be creating stimulating content for kids that are playing your games. Even if you look at the red, guys, this is the highest velocity of red that a person could be physically drawn to by their eyeballs. And I'm not just spewing garbage, I promise you. There is a thing called color theory, which is in psychology, it's in business, it's in science, that obviously when you see green, you think of success. When you think of yellow, you think of happiness. When you think of red, you think of anger. But in terms of video games, usually it is blood, but when there is a rainbow next to it, it still evokes the same colors as all of these colors that you see here. Because you see the red matched with the rainbow, which tells the brain that this red is just as bright and ominous and colorful as the rainbow right there. And why am I saying this? It could be sounding like complete lingo to you guys, but I'm telling you that the most attributical features of this actual map is not really the components of it. It's the feeling and the perception that you're giving off. Why do you think there's a rainbow background that's super transparent and vibrant every 5 seconds that highlights and glows constantly? That is not there by accident, guys, and I can promise you that. I was the psychological analyst and strategist going over every component and feature inside of this map to make it actually better and alive. So we have all of our bases here. We have the conveyor belt, we have the spinning wheel, we have the shop, we have the secret hacked keypad over here. There's nothing we're missing. And that is why I'm giving out this map for completely free for everybody who joins the Discord in the link in the description. Because I'm here to make this the biggest business of all time, and I'm the only one in the world doing this. I'm the only fucking person in the whole world, excuse my language, that is making this the biggest business of all time. I've done games with Jinxie, I've done games with rappers, celebrities, actors, athletes, you name it. I'm the only person in the entire planet making this the biggest business of all time. I'm the only one who can, and I have a $1 billion company called Versify, which automates the entire process. 2.0 is releasing at the end of this year, which will allow you guys to make your thumbnails, your marketing, 3D objects, your assets, your environment, your buildings, your water, your visual effects, your coding. It'll automate the entirety and the processes of making a map. So I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for watching this tutorial. Go grab the map in the link in the description. And PS disclaimer, I have a few spots left in my mentorship program, which is a hands-on program called the Fort Mafia Inner Circle one-time payment, where I will mentor and coach you and teach you guys these exact qualities to make your map successful and make you guys more money online. But anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Click the last video on the screen. I'm out. Peace.